Hi, I'm Suzine, and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about a product that's been gaining a lot of attention lately, the UVBrite Self-Cleaning Water Bottle. We're talking about a smart bottle that uses advanced UVC light technology to eliminate up to 99.99% of germs, bacteria, and viruses. And it does that in just a few minutes with the press of a button. If you travel, go to the gym, work outside the house, or even just want a safer way to drink tap water, this is something worth knowing about. The bottle is built with high-quality, BPA-free stainless steel and has double insulation, so it also keeps your drinks cold or hot for hours. That means you get water that's not only purified but also fresh, all day long. Another feature that really stands out is that UVBrite doesn't need any filter replacements. That's a huge plus. One full charge gives you up to 60 purification cycles, and the bottle even activates an automatic cleaning cycle every 6 hours to keep itself clean. It's also lightweight, easy to carry, and charges via USB, so it's great for travel, office, hiking, or everyday use. Now, an important heads up. Because of the high demand, a lot of fake versions are popping up on random websites, so make sure you're buying it only from the official website. I'll leave the link right below in the description. That's where I got mine. Buying from unofficial sources could mean you end up with a product that doesn't work, or worse, one that doesn't purify properly and puts your health at risk. So please be careful with that. And one last thing that gives extra peace of mind, UVBrite comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try it out, test it in your routine, and if for any reason you're not satisfied, you can ask for a full refund. So that's everything you need to know about UVBrite. If you're looking for a more reliable, safe, and eco-friendly way to stay hydrated, this is definitely something worth checking out. See you in the next video.